In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Translate to Chrome. If you ever land on a page you can't read or you just want to quickly understand a sentence in another language, the Google Translate extension makes it effortless. We'll install it from the Chrome Web Store, pin it so it's always within reach, and go over the simplest ways to translate text and entire web pages so you can browse with confidence. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, head to the Chrome Web Store page for the Google Translate extension. If you prefer to search, type Chrome Web Store Google Translate and open the official result from Google. You should see an Add to Chrome button on the extension page. Verifying you're on the official listing helps you avoid lookalike add-ons and ensures you're getting the trusted version. Click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation box will appear. Choose Add Extension. Chrome will download the extension and place it with your other add-ons. You may see a brief message about the permissions it needs. These allow the tool to read text on pages so it can translate it for you. This access is solely for translating the content you view. Next, make it easy to access. At the top right of Chrome, click the puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. Find Google Translate in the list and click the pin icon. Pinning keeps the Translate button visible on your toolbar so you don't have to open the menu every time. If you don't see the puzzle icon, try maximizing your browser window so the toolbar has enough space. If you're using a work or school computer, note that administrators sometimes restrict extensions. In that case, you may need approval to proceed. Now let's use it. When you want to translate a snippet, highlight the text on any web page. Right-click the selection and choose Google Translate. Depending on your settings, you'll either see a small panel with the translation or a new tab with the result. On touchpads, a two-finger click works as a right-click. The extension typically detects the language automatically and translates into your browser's default language, keeping things seamless. To translate an entire page, simply browse to a site in another language. Chrome can often recognize this automatically and offer to translate the whole page for you. If you don't get a prompt, click the Google Translate icon you pinned and select the option to translate the page. You can switch back to the original language at any time to compare. That's it. You've added the Google Translate extension, pinned it for quick access, and learned how to translate highlighted text, use the right-click menu, and convert full web pages on the fly. With this setup, reading across languages in Chrome becomes fast, accurate, and just a click away.